Hello and welcome to our channel from Cryptowichard. Today, we're going to talk about the altcoin with the best future. With the rise of Bitcoin, many people have begun to take notice of other cryptocurrencies. These alternative coins, or altcoins, have gained popularity in recent years. In this video, we're going to take a comprehensive look at the altcoin with the best future. Altcoin is a term used to describe a cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. While Bitcoin remains the most popular and well-known cryptocurrency, many other digital currencies have emerged in recent years, each with its own unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. Altcoins can be thought of as an alternative to Bitcoin, offering different use cases, technological advancements, and investment opportunities. There are now hundreds of altcoins available in the market, each with its own niche and purpose. Some of the popular altcoins include Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin. These altcoins offer different advantages over Bitcoin, such as faster transaction times, lower transaction fees, enhanced privacy, and improved security features. While many altcoins have gained in popularity and market capitalization, only a few have the potential to become the next big thing. This is because the cryptocurrency market is highly competitive, and investors are looking for altcoins that offer unique value propositions, sustainable growth potential, and strong community support. When evaluating an altcoin, it's essential to look at its use case, technology, team, and community. The use case refers to what problem the altcoin solves and whether there is a market demand for it. The technology refers to the underlying blockchain technology, which should be secure, scalable, and efficient. The team refers to the developers and leaders behind the altcoin, who should be experienced, knowledgeable, and transparent. The community refers to the people who use and support the altcoin, who should be passionate, engaged, and committed to the long-term success of the project. In conclusion, altcoins offer investors a range of investment opportunities and diversification options in the cryptocurrency market. While some altcoins have the potential to become the next big thing, it's essential to do thorough research, evaluate each altcoin's unique value proposition, and make informed investment decisions. When evaluating an altcoin, the first thing to consider is its use case. The altcoin should solve a real-world problem, and there should be a market demand for its solution. For example, an altcoin that focuses on privacy may be valuable to people who want to protect their financial transactions from being tracked. On the other hand, an altcoin that aims to improve payment processing times may be useful for merchants who want to accept fast and secure payments. The second thing to consider is the technology behind the altcoin. The underlying blockchain technology should be secure, scalable, and efficient. It should also offer unique features that differentiate it from other altcoins. For example, an altcoin that uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm may be more energy efficient than one that uses proof-of-work. An altcoin that offers smart contract functionality may be useful for developers who want to build decentralized applications on top of the blockchain. The third thing to consider is the team behind the altcoin. The team should be experienced and knowledgeable in the field of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. They should also be transparent about their goals and objectives, as well as their progress in achieving them. A strong and dedicated team can help ensure the long-term success of the altcoin. Finally, the community is also an important factor to consider. The people who use and support the altcoin should be passionate and engaged in the project. They should be committed to the long-term success of the altcoin and should actively participate in its development and promotion. A strong community can help drive adoption of the altcoin and increase its value over time. In conclusion, when evaluating an altcoin, investors should consider its use case, technology, team, and community. By carefully analyzing these factors, investors can make informed decisions about which altcoins to invest in and which ones to avoid. In addition to its flexibility and strong community, Ethereum also has a number of technical advantages that make it a promising investment. One of the most important of these is its ability to execute smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written into code. Smart contracts allow for trustless and transparent transactions, without the need for intermediaries like banks or lawyers. Another technical advantage of Ethereum is its use of gas fees to incentivize miners and maintain network security. Gas fees are paid by users to execute transactions on the Ethereum network, and they help ensure that the network remains secure and reliable. The use of gas fees also means that Ethereum can operate without inflation, since new Ether tokens are only created as rewards for miners who validate transactions. Overall, Ethereum's technology and community make it a strong contender for the altcoin with the best future. Its versatility and scalability have made it attractive to many different industries, and its commitment to energy efficiency and network security make it a responsible investment choice. While there are no guarantees in the world of cryptocurrency, we believe that Ethereum has the potential to continue growing and evolving for years to come. If you are interested in investing in Ethereum, it's important to keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. As with any investment, it's important to diversify your portfolio and only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency industry, as changes in regulations or technology can have a significant impact on the value of cryptocurrencies. But with its strong community, advanced technology, and adaptability, we believe that Ethereum has the potential to continue growing and evolving for years to come. Thank you again for watching, and we hope that this video has been informative and helpful in your understanding of altcoins and the cryptocurrency market. As always, remember to do your own research and make informed decisions when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear a story about other cryptocurrencies, and we'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.